In this tutorial I'll demonstrate how to make payment with Revolut card on your phone, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So first open the Revolut app and click on cards. Here you can easily obtain a virtual card by clicking get card, then choosing your preferred card type, physical or virtual, and selecting a color for it. Once you have completed these steps, your virtual card will be ready. Next, navigate to the setting and find the wallet option. Click on it and then choose add card. You'll be prompted to specify whether it's a debit or credit card. Select debit. Now, you can enter your card details manually or simply scan your Revolut card. Copy and paste the card number from your Revolut account, provide the expiry date and CVV, and then hit next. By completing this step, you will successfully add your Revolut virtual card to your phone. When you are ready to make a payment at the store or anywhere else, simply double tap your phone, and the virtual card will be displayed for easy use. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.